Long quotations. If a quotation has more than 40 words, it forms a block of text indented half an inch or 1.27 cm from the left margin. Contrary to other quotations, it is not within quotation marks. In the following example, the page number 35 in the parenthesis comes after the full stop. Modified quotations. If alterations or clarifications are made to a quotation, they are added in brackets within the quotation. Yoga, is neither a religion nor a creed. It is need of life. Emphasis added. As a breath we breathe. If words or sentences are omitted from a quotation, they are replaced by an ellipsis. Yoga is a need that will be felt by every individual. Yoga is a science of existence. Paraphrase our summary. The safety of energy drinks has not yet been established. In their study of energy drinks, Riasik et al. Suggested that energy drinks may not be entirely safe. They also indicated that more research is needed. The abbreviation et al. Is here used after name or list of names to indicate that the opinion was held by more than 2 people. If source material is paraphrased rather than quoted, the page number is optional. According to some, the relation between art and society is reciprocal, or you can omit the page number. According to some, the relationship between art and society and reciprocal. 2. References section. The entries include all the elements needed to locate a source, such as the source's author, year of publication, title, and publication information. They are arranged alphabetically according to the author's surnames in a list called references. If there is no author, the bibliographic entry is arranged alphabetically according to the title. The first entry is a book, including author, year, title of book, edition, location, publisher. The second entry is about an article in a scientific journal, including author, year, title of article, title of periodical, volume or issue, pages, DOI. The third is about an article in a journal of social science. The fourth is web content. It includes author, year, title of web page, retrieved from. In the last entry, there is no author, so the citation indicates the title instead, and there is no year of publication. The citation indicates ND for no date. Number 2, MLA style. MLA is the abbreviation for the Modern Language Association. This section contains resources on in-text citations and works cited pages. Who should use MLA? MLA style is typically reserved for writers and students preparing manuscripts in various humanities disciplines such as English studies, language and literature, foreign languages and literatures, literary criticism, comparative literature, cultural studies. Common abbreviations include CH, abbreviation for chapter, ED, abbreviation for edition, et al., abbreviation for and others, etc. 1. In-text citation, author and page. Short quotations. In-text citations include the author's surname or corporate name and the page number. Culture is what some persons feel or do, unlike others who do not feel or do the same things. Wallerstein, 91. If the author's surname is provided in the text, there is no need to repeat it in the citation. According to Wallerstein, culture is what some persons feel or do, unlike others who do not feel or do the same things. 91. Is it possible that culture is merely what some persons feel or do, unlike others who do not feel or do the same things? Wallerstein, 91. Multiple sources. If multiple sources are cited in the same in-text citation, they are separated by a semicolon. This rule is the same as that in APA style, but the number given here is a page number rather than the year of publication. At a local scale, the notion of place is not only a space that we occupy, it is also part of who we are. The relationship between location and identity can easily be observed through behavior displayed both during national holiday celebrations and during all-out war. Here is a sample of long quotations. Two, works cited section or page. The entries include all the elements needed to locate a source, such as the source author, title, publication information, and year of publication. They are arranged alphabetically according to the author's surnames in a list called Works Cited. In the first entry, the source has two authors. The bibliographic entry includes both names in the same order as on the title page. The first name is inverted, and each name is separated by a comma. The second entry is from the web content, and thus it includes author, title of article on page, title of website, posting or publishing date, URL. The third entry is about a book. It includes author, title of book, publisher, year. Entry 4 is about an article in a scientific journal, including author, title of article, title of periodical, volume, number, year, pages, title of database, URL. Entry 5 is from part of book. They are both the author and the editor. It is composed of author, title of poem or short story, title of book, edited by editor's full name, publisher, year, pages. Language focus. Reporting verbs. There is a range of reporting verbs that you may use when referring to your source material. In fact, a study by Ken Hyland, 1999, identified more than 400 different reporting verbs. However, a much smaller number of verbs tend to predominate. The following table shows the most frequently used reporting verbs from a variety of disciplines, with the most frequent on the left and the 6 most frequent on the far right. Pay attention to disciplinary differences. High-frequency reporting verbs differ from field to field, as shown by the table. All these disciplines are divided into 2 categories: harder sciences and softer sciences. For biology, which ranks the first in the category of harder science, the first 6 high-frequency reporting verbs are describe, find, report, show, suggest, and observe. Among all the 7 harder sciences, report, show, and find are widely used. The word develop is only included by the fields of biology, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering, which may indicate these fields have more demands for innovations. On the contrary, among the 6 softer sciences, the word develop never appears. Strikingly, the word suggest is used in all 6 fields investigated. The next verb widely used in this category is argue, which never appears in those harder sciences. The list of high-frequency reporting verbs will probably save our time while choosing words. 2. Summary reminder phrases. In a longer summary, you may want to remind your reader that you are summarizing. The author goes on to say that Razik et al. Go on to describe. The article further states that author surnames here also state, maintain, argue that. Author surnames here also believe that. Author surnames here conclude that. In the second half of the paper, author surname here presents. Some of the following sentence connectors may be useful in introducing additional information. Additionally, in addition to, also, furthermore, further, moreover. Summary. Always check the style guides in your discipline to learn more about proper documentation. Bibliographies include all the sources you consulted in research, whether or not you cite or mention them at all in your paper. Your work cited should include only the sources that you cite. If your work cited or references page includes a source that you did not cite in your paper, delete it